Hi everyone. Are you stuck staring at a download that won't start or an installation that fails on the EA app? It's a really common and annoying problem, but don't worry, we're going to go through a list of fixes that should get you back to gaming in no time. Let's jump right into the solutions. First, let's start with the basics, which often solve more problems than you'd think. Completely close the EA app by right-clicking its icon in your system tray and selecting Quit. Then, restart your computer. A simple reboot can clear up temporary glitches that are preventing the installation. Once your PC is back on, try the installation again. If you're still stuck, our second step is to run the app with more power. This is called running as an administrator. Find the EA app shortcut on your desktop or in the Start menu. Instead of double-clicking it, right-click it and choose Run as Administrator. This gives the app the necessary permissions to write files to your hard drive, which can sometimes be the root of the problem. Still no luck? Let's move on to a very powerful fix, clearing the EA app's cache. The cache stores temporary data, and if this data gets corrupted, it can cause all sorts of issues, including failed installations. The safest and easiest way to do this is with EA's own tool. Go to your Windows Start menu, type App Recovery, and click on it when it appears. A small window will open with an option that says Clear Cache. Click this button. The app will do its work, and you might need to log in again afterwards, but this process often solves stubborn installation errors. Our fourth point is to check your storage. Make sure you have enough free space on the drive where you're trying to install the game. Games are huge these days, so double-check that you have plenty of gigabytes to spare. Also, try changing the installation location. Sometimes installing to a different drive or even just a different folder on the same drive can bypass the issue. Fifth, your security software could be the culprit. Your antivirus or firewall might be mistakenly blocking the EA app from downloading or writing files. Try temporarily disabling your antivirus or firewall just long enough to start the installation. If it works, you know that's the problem. Remember to turn your security back on and add an exception for the EA app in your software's settings so it doesn't happen again. Sixth, make sure everything is up to date. This includes Windows itself, your graphics card drivers, and the EA app. Go to Windows Update in your settings and check for updates. Visit the NVIDIA or AMD website for the latest drivers. The EA app should update automatically, but clearing the cache often forces it to check. An outdated system can cause unexpected conflicts. Finally, if all else fails, it's time to reinstall the EA app itself. Don't worry, this won't delete your already installed games. Go to Add or Remove Programs in Windows, find the EA app, and uninstall it. Then, go to the official EA website, download a fresh copy of the installer, and run it. A clean installation can resolve deep-rooted file corruption within the app. Hopefully, one of these steps got your game downloading and installing correctly. Thanks so much for watching this guide. If you found it helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel for more tech fixes and gaming tips. We'd love to hear which solution worked for you in the comments below.